My name is Kelly Richards. I'm a nurse practitioner at a community health clinic here in Milwaukee. I work with patients primarily who are considered underserved, so they may not have opportunities to have health care in other places because they may be uninsured, or they may have been asked to leave other healthcare centers because of lack of appointment follow-up. During the pandemic, I worked at a larger healthcare system at that time. I was an overflow provider in the clinic, and during that time, they started to turn away patients who weren't necessarily sick enough to be seen in the clinic or have any chronic illnesses that needed to be immediately managed. So those patients who may have had some upper respiratory symptoms or who may have had COVID possibly were sent out. So I volunteered to work at one of the clinics where those patients would have been sent to in order to have something to do. One, because I was bored, and I was also curious and wanted to help. We tested them for COVID. If they were positive, we treated them symptomatically. And some of them, because we were connected with the hospital, we had to actually send to the emergency room, and some of them were admitted into the hospital. I know a lot of people didn't believe some things and were skeptical of things that we were being told to do at that time, but it just really stressed the importance of doing those mitigation measures that we were being told to do by the CDC and the other healthcare officials, because it really was real. You could see it, it was right there. You could really see people were sick, and some of them I was sent to the emergency room and they died. So it did really stress the importance of following those guidelines for me and my family. I really believe in vaccination. I was happy to be vaccinated because I was still working at the respiratory clinic at the time when the vaccines came out, and they prioritized those of us who were kind of on the front line in that sense to get vaccinated. So I got vaccinated, and as soon as my family could get vaccinated, I made sure that they all got vaccinated also. So I really think it's important to, again, follow those guidelines because they do protect us, and it's just showing love of your neighbor too, because you are protecting yourself, but you're also helping to protect your neighbor against getting sick or your fellow man. COVID is still out here, it's still real, and people are still getting sick. I have patients one who's had COVID 3 times, and they get really, really sick with it. So it's really important to protect yourself, and again, protect your family, and then the greater community as a whole gets protected when we do that.